Hello there. I wanted to briefly go over the Harriet Tubman, it's a mouthful, Harriet Tubman documents assignment with you. I've written out how to do it in this assignment as well, but sometimes it's nice to have it presented in this format too. So what you're doing here is you have 5 documents that I've pulled out the book for you. Remember, the book is divided into 2 sections. The first part of the book is a biography that Lewis Horton writes about Harriet Tubman. And then the second part is made up of about 30 documents. And in history, primary sources, that's your evidence. That's how you can say, see, this is how we know this, because this person was there. That doesn't mean it's true, if you will. It's one person's perspective, but it's our evidence. So that's going to be the real focus of your essay, are these primary sources. And so the purpose of this assignment is to get you thinking about this essay that you're going to be writing, get you working on it a little bit sooner, so that it doesn't kind of sneak up on you. Because again, this is reading that you don't want to leave to the last minute. I want to work on it, slowly but surely. And so I've pulled out 5 documents here. You're going to write a summary for each of the 5 documents. So 1 document, 1 paragraph. 1 document, 1 paragraph. 1 document, 1 paragraph. So you'll have 5 paragraphs total, 1 paragraph for each document. All you're doing is summarizing what you read. So in theory, I'm hoping that by the time you turn this assignment in, you've done more reading than just these 5 documents. But in theory, you would only have to have read that document, because all you're doing, you're going to read document 9 by William Still, and then you're just going to summarize what you read. And again, the point is just to get you thinking about these documents. The next step is going to be how you would put that document into your paper. The next step is going to be not just summarizing the document, but providing some analysis of the document too, to incorporate into your essay. In this assignment though, you just need to summarize. So just, again, what did you read? Write up a paragraph explaining what you read. That would, if somebody hadn't read that document, you're basically just telling them this is what's in the document. Now what I did for you is, after I have the document title that you're gonna focus on, you've got 5, document 9, document 11, document 14, document 16, and document 18. After each of those documents, I gave you the section in the biography that also references some of the material that's in that document. You don't need the section that's in parentheses. You don't need that section for this assignment, but I wanted you to have the connection there so that when you incorporate these documents into your essay, you will know where to find that information to kind of help provide more historical context, to kind of develop that analysis. And so, for instance, here, document 9, right, what William Still, Moses arrives with 6 passengers, is that document. I think it's maybe a page. But when you go to write your paper, if you haven't done so already, you're going to want to also check out the biography pages 20 to 33. And you may have already read those, but if not, this will help kind of make that connection for you, because that's where that document's mentioned and that's the time period in which it's covered. All right, I think that was the main thing I wanted to tell you about the documents assignment that you're going to turn in. And again, you're turning that in week 7. And then your paper isn't due for another 5 weeks. So the point is to try to kind of just get you thinking about it, start working, and kind of build into this larger assignment that's due week 12, which is the essay. All right. If you have any questions, you can email those to me, put them in a discussion board. I'm happy to help. Take care.